Hello everyone, my name is Miss Lindsay. Welcome to Preschool Art. Today we are going to do a rainbow hand painting project. So for this project you are going to need a piece of paper, some paint brushes, and some paint. I'm using washable paint because we're going to be putting this over our hands. So I did not have all the colors that I wanted to use for my rainbow painting today, so I am mixing some colors together. So we have some red and some yellow to make orange. Mix those together. Okay, and then we have some red and white to make pink. And then red and blue to make purple. Okay, so now that I have all of my colors, I'm going to start putting paint on my hand. I'll take a paintbrush and start putting paint on my hand. Do some orange next. Some yellow. Pink. And get some purple. Then we have blue. And then we'll do green last. You can do as many colors as you want, whatever colors you want. You can try mixing some together, make some new colors. Okay. Once you have your paint on your hands, once you put it on your paper, sit down, lift it carefully. And then we have a rainbow handprint. I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to make a rainbow across the paper. Okay. All right, so now I have a rainbow hand-painted rainbow. I love all the colors that are on there. All right, so now it is your turn to make a rainbow art hand painting. Have fun with this project, put lots of colors on the paper, and we hope to see you in the library soon. Stay safe.